Hello boys and girls, Mohit Agarwal here. Very important video for all the CMS students. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So very important video for all the CMS students. I'll come to that news, what news I am going to share after 2 minutes. First, let me give you a brief background of the news that I am going to share with you. First 2 minutes, here the background. So once the CMA exams got announced, the moment the CMA exams got announced that it is going to take place online mode, I was the first one to pitch that if the exams are taking place online, at least approx 1 month extension should be provided. If you remember, in the first video that I had shot once online exams were announced, I was the first one to pitch that 1 month extension should be given, not only for students to prepare mentally and academically for the new system of exams, but also for institute, because there are technical glitches and we are seeing now that yes, indeed there are technical glitches. For example, when we are attempting the mock test, the questions are not serially arranged. For example, 1A, after 1A we are straightforward seeing 4B. So in some papers the questions are very much jumbled. In some paper I saw the marks were short. It was 98 or 96 marks paper. And one more big technical glitch is that once we are changing the questions, its buffering time is still being counted. There is a lot of buffering time, and those buffering time is being counted in those 3 hours of exams. So technical glitches are there. Having said that, no doubt Institute has taken wonderful step going online forward. It's a very proactive step. We congratulate Institute. Now, I have been in touch with lots of office bearers of CMA Institute. I have mailed them formally. I have been in touch with them through WhatsApp messages or phone calls with lot of office bearers. And now my sources tell me that they are going to consider about the extension once they meet in Calcutta on 20 and 21st of November. So probably by 20th or 21st of November, they are going to decide in the formal meeting. And just to show you that what mail exactly was given to institute, it was mailed to exam director. Okay, I had mailed specifically to the directors of exam, the head of exams who is looking after it. Let me read out to you. So what is the breaking news then? The breaking news is that the exams postponement are there on the cards, and but let me tell you, you should not assume that the exams have been postponed. You should keep on slogging yourself, okay, as if the exams are going to happen on the pre-decided date. But I am here, okay, and Sanket Pandit is also doing great work, very generous work for all the students, okay. So we are pushing all the office bearers, we are reminding all the office bearers, we are putting forward the problems and grievances of students in front of them, because Sanket gets connected with students. I get connected with so many CMS students because I have a presence on pan India basis. So I get to teach them and I get to know their problems. They are mailing me. So I get to know about their concerns and we are putting it forward very, very clearly to the office bearers, and they are very flexible. Let me tell you, it's not that they are rigid, they are listening to us, they are flexible. So on 20 and 21st of November, they are going to consider it, and the final result will obviously be decided by that time. But we are doing whatever it takes to make sure that you guys get ample number of days for studying. Okay. So, dear sir, at the outset, let me congratulate you for conducting exams online and putting such tremendous efforts. As you are already aware that inter and final exams are scheduled from 10 December, but with less than a month to prepare, many students are finding it very difficult to practice new pattern of exam in such a short notice. Moreover, there are some technical glitches from the software vendor's point of view. Part example, buffering time, time lag, jumbled up questions. Okay. For example, time taken for from moving from one question to another, and time continues to run in spite of no fault of the student. We therefore humbly request you to kindly provide some extension. That some extension is approx 1 month to ensure smooth transition from offline to online exam. Further, we believe that in spite of this extension, result will be out on time as usual, as it will take substantial lesser time in checking online papers. Okay, so we are in constant touch with the office bearers, and we are making sure that the voice and genuine problems of CMS students reach them. Okay, let me again tell you, in this meantime, uh, those persons who did not know about CMA, who never made any video about CMA. They may also try to take the limelight by talking about CMA now. Previously, they must not have made any single video on CMA. Now they will be trying to make videos on CMA and trying to, be in the limelight. So be very cautious about them. Okay, I leave the choice to you. You are the correct judge to identify who was there with you from the very beginning. Not this 3 to 4 months, not this 6 months, who were there for you from very beginning, who never differentiated between you guys. You are the best persons to judge. Okay, guys, take care. Bye bye. Love you all, and I'll keep updating you about everything. And Joby, back of the scenes we are doing. Okay, we'll be doing it for best of you. Be rest assured. Take care.